this first item comes to us from PS Home, which stands for problem solving. This is exclusive to us here at QVC, and this is a 3-tier collapsible metal cart with wheels. Our sale price today is $49.98, 5 easy payments of $10. With today's sale price and the free shipping and handling, you're saving over $12 to pick up this adorable metal cart with wheels. I think what's so special here is that we're literally looking at it in so many different ways, repurposed all around the home. Maybe it's in the garage, maybe it's in the pantry, maybe you have a smaller bathroom and you want to go ahead and use this in there to maybe store some, some teepee, some towels, maybe some products. This is such a really cute basket, and we've got some really fun colors to shop here. So this one that you're looking at is our black. Right next to us here, is this one the white or the gray? I think this one is the gray. Yes, this one is the gray. And then on QVC.com, let's take a look at a few more colors. Here, you're looking at the navy. We also have this available in the red. Here's that white. All right, so the 5 different colors here, less than $50, multi-purpose. And with the little wheels, the casters, if you will, that's really kind of the only assembly, I believe. Let's welcome in our very special guest, Ashley Smith, who brings us PS Home. Hi, my friend, it's nice to see you.
Hello, my friend Steve. Great to see you on this Monday. Thank you for having me. Yes, PS Home stands for Problem Solving Home, as Steve said. All about finding solutions to those everyday issues around your house. This is really the perfect storage rack for any room in your home. And as Steve mentioned, no assembly required, except you are just going to put on the wheels. You're just going to screw them in like a light bulb. Okay. I just shut this down in seconds, as you saw. So it was going to be about 40 inches by only 2.5 wide by 18. So you can even slide this in between, in the closet or under a bed or in the corner. If you don't need it, I don't know why you wouldn't. And then you literally just pop it open, Steve, and you have your 3-tier shelf.
Wow, I just saw you close it and I'm like, oh, I think I could do that. Nice and simple. I could literally slide this underneath a couch or a bed. I mean, look how, oh my goodness, and it's so lightweight too, Ashley.
Super lightweight, yet it's going to hold up to 72 pounds here. Each shelf is going to hold about 24, so the total is 72. I'm going to open and cut it for you real quickly so you can see how easy that is. Just to pop open with those wheels, you can wheel it from room to room. Maybe you're going to store, your cleaning supplies on here, and then you roll it from room to room as you clean. Or you said beautiful, even in that bathroom. I was in the kitchen with David. His suggestion, I love this one, is if you have a guest bedroom and you have guests coming over, you have it set up empty so that they have a place to organize their items and they feel a little bit more at home as they stay at your house.
Oh no, definitely. I absolutely love what we did here with this one. It's like this kind of like a little cleaning cart. They do it at hotels. Why not have that option in your home as well, where you can literally just take everything you need to in one shelving unit. This is so smart. And the fact that, this is cute too, with these fun colors. You could literally put this in your office, in the bedroom, in the closet, in the bathroom, all over the home. And you said, what's the weight capacity on every single shelf, Ashley?
72 pounds. As you mentioned, though, it is fairly lightweight, but sturdy. It holds up to 72 pounds. We do have the 4 wheels that work 360 degrees. 2 of them do have locks if you want to lock them into place, but it really is this great size. So each of the shelves is going to be about 11.5 by 18 inches. And Steve, in between the shelves, as you can see there in the laundry room, she had fairly large, soap for the laundry. It's about 12 inches from the bottom shelf to the next shelf. So you can have larger items of paper towels or larger cleaning items are going to be able to be stored in between the different shelves as well.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh, there it is in the bathroom. I love that. That's so cute. Super clean, super crisp. I mean, you name it. And the fact that you literally just collapse it in a matter of seconds, that is the best part.
The best part, and like I said, whenever you know where everything is, you feel neat, you feel organized. You're not buying multiple items because you don't know where they are. I have 9, I have 5 kids, but I have 9-year-olds who are twins. They love this just for their room, just to organize their stuff. So my daughter at Penn State, this is great for her whenever space is at a minimum. I mean, there's so many different uses, and this great powder-coated iron material, you don't have to worry about it rusting, and it has a great mesh breathability to it too, to the different shelves. yet very sturdy. Each shelf is going to hold 24 pounds, 72 for the whole unit.
Look at that. This is so fantastic. There's all of those mesh liners. There were mesh sort of bottoms on each and every one of those. I love how thin it is. I mean, I could, and it's so light. I could literally hold it with like one finger. This is so fantastic. And talk about the convenience of maybe just putting this in a closet underneath, like I can put it underneath this sort of credenza right over here under the bed. But can we take these outdoors too, Ashley?
You can. They're power-coated steel, so you don't have to worry about it rusting. And it's great too that if you say you put it in your garage in the winter months, it's breathable with that mesh. You can have your kids or grandkids snowshoes or just shoes in general that are wet or muddy and drip down onto the garage floor, and they're neat and organized and not getting that mud and wetness all over maybe your beautiful entryway.
Yeah.
And again, you said so compact, only 2.5 inches wide, so you really can store it easily while not in use.
Love this. $49.98, 5 easy payments of $10. Let's look at all of the colors again because you've got a few to choose from. I've got the black and the gray here on set. I'll just pull those right next to each other so you can see what those look like. So black and gray. And then on QVC.com, we've got a few more colors to shop here. Here that you're looking at is the navy. We also have this available in the white. And then there is the red. I mean, I think this would be a really fun makeshift bar cart if you wanted to take this outside too. Like, that could be really cute. Put a little picture on here, some little garnishes.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Wheel it out to your deck or your patio or your pool. I mean, there's just possibilities are limitless. Put this, your different condiments and whatnot for a barbecue or to take it out by the grill and to grill. It's great with those wheels that you can really transport it from place to place very easily.
And those wheels are nice. I mean, we're talking 360 degrees. I mean, I'm giving this a full spin here. So you see, like, you're not those little wheels that are like, no. This is moving and grooving here, so it's nice and easy.
And then 2 of the 4 wheels do have those locks if you want to lock it into place to have it be a little bit more sturdy. But really, or even for like the items in your kitchen to get some more counter space, you can have this and then you can just wheel it to wherever you are in the kitchen with those cooking and like baking items or whatnot. Hide it in the closet and then wheel it out whenever you want to bake.
Oh, this is so good. $49.98, 5 easy pays of $10. Remember, you're saving over $12 with today's savings and the free shipping and handling, both of which will expire at the end of the day. As part of our great big President's Day finale from PS Home, the 3-tier collapsible metal cart with wheels, item V85407. We've got one more PS Home fun to shop with Miss Ashley Smith later on in the show. We'll see you in a bit, Ashley.
I'll see you then.